Hi guys, how are you all? Today I will show you the differences between Ubuntu Server Edition and Ubuntu Desktop Edition. Yeah, there are many differences, but I will differentiate on five things, that is, on graphical user interface, on applications, on installation, on kernel, and support. Yeah, if you take graphical user interface, Ubuntu Desktop is a GUI enabled, but for Server Edition, we don't have GUI. Okay, this is because most servers run headless. But what that does mean? Well, they try without a traditional keyboard, mouse, monitor setup to interact with machines. Instead, servers usually use remote managed SSH. While SSH is built in Unix based operating systems, it's pretty simple to use SSH on Windows as well. Okay, next, if we go for applications, Ubuntu Desktop Edition has multimedia softwares, web browser, productivity suite, but in server there will be only standard packages like email, file, web server packages. Okay. When we go to installation, desktop edition installation is simple like any software, but when it comes to server edition, it is process driven. Okay. When it comes to kernel, after Ubuntu 12.04, both server and desktop variants use same kernel, but previously desktop and server used different kernels because both Ubuntu desktop and Ubuntu server employ same kernel. You can add any packages to either variant. This means that while default installation varies, you can customize your Ubuntu flavor accordingly. Okay. Support shifted with the release of 12.04. Before Ubuntu 12.04 LTS, Desktop Edition featured a 3-year support life cycle. The server counterpart benefited from a 5 years support life cycle, but the debut of 12.04 LTS, Ubuntu Desktop and server variants both moved to 5 year support cycle. Okay, but what the heck is this LTS? And so the main difference between LTS and stable, there are two versions in Ubuntu. One is stable edition and LTS edition. LTS means long-term service. So there is a new release for every 6 months. The release will be in April or October, with version number being year or dot month. For example, if you take 16.04, 16 is year and 04 is April. So for every 2 years, April release is a long-term support version. Means if you take 18.04, it is also long-term support. Okay. All the normal releases, example 13.04 or later, are only supported for 9 months. All LTS 12.04 and later are supported for 5 years on both the desktop and server, as I said in the previous slide. Now, support means updates for potential security problems and bugs, and availability of commercial support contacts from Canonical. Yeah, friends, these are the differences between desktop version and server edition of Ubuntu. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video.